as a Northeast person, what do you demand? What is your demand?
Actually, I want to speak Vietnamese. Mohan, Delhi ahikina aru Mohan kam kori kine na. Aru ama baba ko chari kina Mohan ja Delhi te aise. Aru iman dur pura notice pora aru ja Delhi te aise. Tante bi Mohan dug ase. Bisi Delhi te taka mane struggle koribo lage. Olebi Mohan itia Delhi te taka tante. Nijor la bai guni aru nijor la ama baba ko chari kini Delhi te aise. Just we are brother and sister. Tadi kini ka itia Mohan la oini aru bai. Amen sama and Rosi sama itia dunia ke chari kini gayo se. Aru itu pura unity. Ami Mohan ka itia sabda jan ke Mohan. Itia candle light Korea se. Aru itu pura Mohan. Isi juga se. Aru Samuel la Amala Baba la. Iman pura ni itu Korea. Mohan lagane. Itia Mohan di juga. Mohan di Mohan clean lage. Isi juga se Mohan di. Iman dulu jujur lah career bana ko karane Delhi ahi kina aru eneka jujur lah time aru ko ko mustaiga bisi du paise taila ama baba aru taila family kam.
That's really wonderful, friend. And guys, they are all demanding for justice, and we want justice. 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 And now, guys, we would like to show you complete that Northeast people are all gathered here, and this is the unity of Northeast people. They stand for honesty, they stand for truth, and we want to know what exactly is the truth, and we really demand investigation in this matter, because when I went to the hospital and I tried to inquire the hospital staff and the doctor, they all ran away. Somehow there is something kind of a mystery behind it, because it doesn't seem like a suicide if you talk about Samuel. Somehow people are doubting it could be murder as well. We never know, and investigation is very important, and we are going to fight for the justice, and we're gonna fight till the end. And let us try to ask some girls as well. So would you like to say something? That exactly, who want to speak something from girls? What is your demand as a girl? You know, what do you think about the safety? What do you want to say? Any girl want to say? How you feel about safety in Delhi? Yeah, so you can speak in your language also. No problem.
जैसे ये बहुत रॉन्ग इंसिडेंट हुआ और फिर लाइक वो वीडियो में बहुत क्लियरली दिख रहा था कि डॉक्टर वाज हाइडिंग समथिंग. हाँ, तो हम लोग कोई यहाँ पे आए हैं तो हम लोग सामेल और रोजी के लिए वी वांट सीरियसली, क्योंकि ये लग ही रहा था कि डॉक्टर कुछ ना कुछ कर रहे हैं, अंदर ही अंदर कुछ ना कुछ कर रहे हैं. सो वी वांट जस्टिस फॉर दैट एंड सो वी आर हियर.
Okay. That's really wonderful, guys. This is the voice of women power, and women power is a kind of a power of truth, and this cannot be a lie, and hence we request the authorities to kindly investigate in this matter, because this is not about it's not the first incident that's happening with the Northeast people. So many incidents have happened, but this time it got captured on the camera. We have the evidences, we have the proof, and even the investigation done by the Voice of Youth team shows that something is mysterious, and the hospital is trying to hide something for sure. We have done more investigation, in which we're going to show you about the eyewitness as well, and that video we will be revealing in the next video. Till the time, guys, we all want all the Northeast to unite together, to be together, and this is not about just like the justice of a girl and boy. It is about humanity. It is about the complete justice of Northeast people. You can see, guys, the whole Northeast people out there, and they all are demanding justice, and they all want somehow. Even you can come forward. You know, you can see, you can come forward. Yeah, they also demand that this hospital should get sealed as well. Alpha. So, from which state you are? Huh? Meghalaya. So from Meghalaya, have you what's your name? Okay, that's wonderful. So how many of you are Sangmas? Sangma. So you can see, guys, the Sangma community is also here. The Garo community is also here. Sangma, these all are the Sangma people, and they are the brother and sisters, and all are the brother and sister. They belong to the Garo community. So guys, we all are demanding justice, and hence we would like to ask somebody from behind also. You can come. We would like to invite the girl as well. If you can come forward. Yeah, if you can come forward, you can come forward. Okay, no issue. Yeah. You can see, guys, they are holding this. Even if they are not speaking English, they speak itself. You can hold it up. You can hold it up. It says stop Northeast discrimination. Somehow, this is not about just losing life. It's about the discrimination because the doctor really thought that Northeast people do not have voice. He thought that Northeast people are just like animals. He can beat and do anything, and he will just roam freely. And guys, the most shameless thing is that when I went to the hospital, the doctor was roaming freely. No investigation has started. Even I went to the police station. Sector 9 police station was sending me to Sector 10. Sector 10 was sending me to Sector 9. So nobody was ready to talk. So who is going to give the justice to the Northeast people? Who is going to raise the voice of Northeast people? I request complete Northeast to unite, and I request the government of Meghalaya, government of Nagaland, and the government of India and government of Haryana as well to unite and investigate into the matter. And if this cannot be solved by police, we want CBI for this case, and this is very important because we need a central agency, not a state agency, because state might try to cover their people, but the central agency will always try to give the right judgment, and we request CBI for this case. And guys, we have not only about, it's not the demand is not about the ceiling, but we would like, many people are demanding the arrest of Mr. Vishnu. You can come forward. Yeah, from which state you are? First of all, you can tell me. From which state? Come forward. From which state? Meghalaya. So guys, you can see the people are demanding arrest of Dr. Bishnoi as well, because he did not acted like a doctor, but he acted like a devil. And devil place is somewhere in hell, and hell is a jail. And we definitely want justice, and we want the judgment should be given as soon as possible. Else the anger of Northeast people will really gonna shatter the hospital. The anger of Northeast people will really gonna shatter the system. And this is not just a kind of it's not just a kind of we are frightening somebody. It is a word of truth, because the people are aware. People are not fools here. People have seen everything. They have the evidences. They have the complete proof that something wrong was happening with the sister and the brother. And this should not be left neglected by the authorities, because if it got neglected, the people of Northeast will be again facing the problems again. Many people will die, many people will face discrimination, and many people might lose their lives. Who is going to raise the voice? Can't we make India safe for the Northeast people? Can't we make Delhi safe for the Northeast people? Can't we make Haryana safe for the Northeast people? This is important right now, guys, that we need to raise the voice. We need to unite together. And guys, this is a very important, because this is a very big thing happened. Last time it happened like 5-7 years back, when one Northeast guy was treated and even thrown to ditch, and he was dead just because somebody made one of his hairs and he revolted, because of which he got beaten so badly he lost his life. And again, this is about the humanity, and this is about the justice of Northeast people. And guys, we want justice. 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 You can keep your candle up, all the people. You can see. Guys, you can see, we want justice. 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 Arrest Dr. Bishnoi. Arrest Dr. Bishnoi. Arrest Dr. Bishnoi. Arrest Dr. Bishnoi. So we want justice. We want justice. We want justice. Stop Northeast discrimination. Stop Northeast discrimination. Stop Northeast discrimination. We want justice. We want justice. So guys, this is the thing that is all people are demanding justice, and hence guys, We request the complete community of Northeast to share this video, create awareness, and be a part of this initiative. And to be a part of this initiative, just hit the subscribe button and do not forget to hit the bell icon. We are here to make the world a better place. And to be a part of this initiative in reality, you need to do action. Action is sharing this video, of creating awareness, commenting under the video that you also want justice. This is about humanity. This is about the respect of Northeast. This is about the dignity of Northeast. Northeast people are not animals, not insects that anybody should come and then just put the leg and just throw them like garbage. No, they are also human beings and they deserve respect. And somebody wants to say, what do you want to say?
I want to say something. यूट्यूबर ये हमारा बीच में जो आया है तो अगर इतना प्यार दिया हमारा भाई को और हमारा भाई ने इतना अपना जान को खतरा देकर तो वहाँ अपा जाकर वहाँ पे जाकर देन वहाँ पे वीडियो शूट करके अपना जान को खतरा में देकर वीडियो शूट किया। अगर वहाँ पे कितना रिस्की था हमारा भाई को, देन वहाँ पे क्योंकि ये वीडियो जो परसों वीडियो था, देन वहाँ पे हमारा पूरा नॉर्थ ईस्ट में इनका ये हमारा भाई का वीडियो वायरल हुआ है और सभी लोग इतना धन्यवाद दे रहा हूँ कि Dakpuli mukela cini jungru cini ada tangan ko bini atang tangi kamera ko tongpele arok yang tangi jangi ko tongpele dia hospital lo ya angin meng video shoot ka itu semua dia wal dia po police ang batarang batungja aro dakpuli risk kiyo nga dia sector 9 na yang mana Gurugram na sector 9 yang police station ba sampai yang acan una police station darang ba akan cakane dongja mukela aro cik asokarago darwil sango dongeng pa youtuber angko aro namacan niku sangma ni brain bawe channel wanu ranaban nina bogen mukela cik suna mana ni channel ko aro mukang ciban jeng acik youtuber ang aro acik organ sakkantian acik youtuber ang bongmin jakudina nanga aro jakko preng kang mana nanga acik na ya Samuel sangma aro Rosi sangma ni ko acik justice ko nang chong motani acik kalau ya sadar jangan tahu cina mungkin mau ni go aro cina candlelight ko cung ngataha.
Thank you so much, brother, for supporting. This is the love of Northeast, my friend, who really loves me, and because of this love, I don't care so much about my life, because when you are fighting for truth, God is always protecting you, and this is the word of God, that if you really raise the voice of voiceless, He's gonna keep you under the grace, and the grace is going to be heavenly, and the heavenly grace is somehow divine, and nobody can touch it, because the grace of God is heavenly and the grace of God is miraculous. And somehow this is the miracle of God, that I am receiving the love of Northeast, and thank you so much for giving and supporting, giving so much love and supporting me. Thank you so much.
सभी लोगों में बहुत रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहता हूँ, जितना भी गारोइल्स में रह रहा है, असम में रह रहा है, नागालैंड में रह रहा है, हमारा भाई का चैनल सब्सक्राइब करना।
Thank you so much. We have more people who are speaking.
I think it's a very safe day for us. We are facing this kind of discrimination because there is a lack of a government issue. So government doesn't take any kind of steps. So like we have to face this kind of things every day, every time. So the government must do some actions regarding this, so that in future, like not only Northeasterns but in other states, they will also not face the same issue.
So I believe you are sharing very good thing, and you can see, guys, these people are so much, protesting, and they have the pain in their hands, but they are not stopping. You can show this also. These people, guys, they have so much of, pain, but for this protest. But these people are not giving up. They are ready to take pain for the justice of late Sanmas. And this is about the respect of humanity. This is about the respect of Northeast. And this is somehow, you can see guys, the people, not only this, all the people out there, everybody is going through pain, and but they are not thinking about the pain of melting this, this candles are melting, but they are having the pain, but they're not thinking so much. Guys, so you can see guys, this is a beautiful thing that all the people united together, and somehow this is the love and this is the courage of Northeast. They all came together, and we all are demanding for the justice of late Sangma, and this is very important. It's about the respect of Northeast, it's about the honor of Northeast, it's about the safety of Northeast people in mainland India. And now that's all for now. Now we are going to keep all. Now we're going to do the candle. We are going to do a kind of a
कैंडल पॉकेट में रखे रखा है, जला लो ना,
कैंडल जला दो।
जला लो ना, जला के
नहीं आप चलाओ नहीं तो
You want to speak? Yeah. We'll add yours. You can just keep one. You can come here. You can come here. A banner, you can keep it down. All the people keep the banners down. नीचे हाँ सजा के रख दीजिए आप ना. Picture also you can keep it. Yeah. Picture also you can hold it. Yeah. You can पीछे हाँ. कौन सा बताइए ना? Yeah. You can keep it up also. ऊपर वाले भी रखो आप. ऊपर में आ जाएगा. नहीं आ पाएगा ना? नहीं नीचे साइड में रख दो सारा. Yeah? Okay, you have evidence. Okay, nice. Okay, so now we'll talk. So, start again. Again, start again. So we have the people from Nagaland as well, and they also want to voice their opinion because they belong to Nagaland itself. Or both the Sangmas, they belong to Nagaland. Although they belong to Garo community, but they were the native of Nagaland. So we have the people from Nagaland as well. So first of all, we'd like to know that what is your demand and what do you think about this kind of incident happening? Like,
I want to request to the government of Nagaland as well as the government of all the entire Northeast to take this case very seriously so that this kind of incident should never happen ever again to any other brothers and sisters, those who are living here in Delhi or outside of the state. And I want everyone to join our hands together and then seek this justice. Same as that, like our late brother Nido Tania, who has been murdered in Lajpat Nagar, and he got justice. Same as that, we all the Northeast people should join our hands together and then fight for the justice for our late brothers Sangma, Samuel, and Rosie. That's what I want to request you. That's it.
and that's a beautiful thing somehow that you are fighting for the justice. And what do you have to say about that? How this kind of a discrimination we can reduce, because this is happening too much, especially from the time when coronavirus thing happened. Then people started corona, and then how this kind of it's like a very big misery and like very difficult movement for the Northeast people to survive in mainland as well. So what do you have to say? How the improvement can come about the discrimination? What is the required steps according to you so that the people of mainland become more aware about how to behave? What do you think? What do you want? What is your demand from the people of mainland? How they should act like?
Exactly. We, the Northeast people, are facing so much of discrimination, racism, and everything out here. All the the North Indian people, they used to call us as foreigner. Whenever we go out, they are from China, they are from Chinese, they are from Japan, this and all that. So that are you from Japan? Are you Nepali? Are you Chinese? You chinky Chinese. They used to insult like that. So we are not Chinese. We are not chinky. We are not Nepali. We are Indian. And then how dare they say this kind of bullshit to us? They should never say these kind of things. We are Indian. We are from India only. We are born and brought up from India. We know, we sing the national anthem same as them.
Yes. Yes, very
We
much.
say Vande Mataram. And then we are more proud to call us Indian. How do they call us as Chinese? They shouldn't do that. And then nobody has got the right to discriminate, or nobody has got the right to do these kind of things like racism and everything. The government should take a very strict action this time, so that these kind of things should never ever happen to my brothers or sisters. Or else, like, in case if my son, my daughters and all are going out of the state to go and study, how can I send them now? Delhi is the central capital of India. I can't even send my son, my children and all my family members to go and study there. How can they do this kind of thing? Things like this they should seal the hospital and then arrest those culprits as soon as possible. This is very wrong. And for how long the Northeast people are going to suffer here? How long they are going to discriminate us? Just saying that our looks a little bit different. We look different, the dressing sense, the talking, the way accents and everything, we feel a little bit different. That doesn't make us that we are Chinese. We are Indian. हम लोग हिंदुस्तानी है, भारत हम लोग का भारत है और हिंदुस्तान हमारा है.
That's wonderful. That's really great. Clap for the lady, the beautiful thing that somehow the Northeast people are Indians and they are proud to be Indian. Hence, all the people of India, they should accept them. If they do not have awareness, they should ask them, but do not demean them or degrade them. That is inhuman. And this is a beautiful thing, guys. Hence, guys, this is a high time for everybody to respect Northeast, to fight for the Northeast people. And this is a time that we can create a change. Because if we do not get justice this time, it can really lead to a kind of a hell movement in mainland for the Northeast people. Because every day will happen like this and no justice will be served. Who is going to give the justice to Northeast people? They are also human. They have the most beautiful hearts, my friend. I have experienced through my life and my experience. They are the people who can really make you a better human. They know how to live happy with less resources. They know how to make others happy even if they do not have more, but they know how to respect the kind of hospitality and the love they show is out of the way, And hence, guys, this is the time the people of India should unite the people of North East and fight for the justice of late Samuel Sanma and Gogi Sanma. This is about the respect of Northeast, and we all are here. We all demand justice. We want 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 justice. So, guys, that's a very big message from the Northeast people to the government, to the authorities, and to the investigating agencies that now the high time we need investigation. Within just 2 days it should start. Else the condition of the hospital, we are not frightening, but this is going to be really you have to take it seriously. It can happen anything. So guys, if you really want that people should not take the law in their hand, the government should take the action as soon as possible. And this is all for now, my friend. And let us all pray for the departed soul, and may God give the courage to the family members of both the kids. And let us all pray. And guys, this is the time we will be fighting for the justice till the end. And we are again saying, we're gonna fight, we're gonna win the fight, and always remember, love always wins. We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. So guys, that's all for now. If you want to be a part of the initiative, just hit the subscribe button and do not forget to hit the bell icon and share the video. This is action. we expect from you. And that's all for now, and see you next time. Love always wins. See you.